Hi, I'm going to show you how to set up the ZipWall Magnetic Door. The first thing you need to do is set up 2 ZipWall poles to hold the door up. So let's go ahead and set up the first pole. I like to use the header bar as a gauge for the distance between the 2 poles. It doesn't have to be exact because the ends will float in and out. When you extend the poles, make sure the middle section is nice and high, because that's where you're going to attach the header bar. By the way, if you're using the 10-foot poles, you'll attach the header bar using the blue clips to the top section of the poles. If you're using the 20-foot poles, you'll attach the bar using red clips to the second section from the bottom. Put the door on the header bar before you attach it to the poles. Hold it in position so the bottom just touches the floor, and then just snap it on. Tuck just a bit of the door under the poles. Now the door is up. We just need to seal the edges. So next, cut a slit in the plastic along the opening of the door. Now, use these 2-part magnetic strips to seal the edges. The short ones go on the top, the longer ones seal the sides. Next, carefully cut away the excess plastic with scissors. And that's it. One last tip. For moving larger equipment and supplies in and out of your worksite, I recommend adding a zipper door.